Dear students, today I am going to discuss chapter number 3rd, coordinate geometry. Okay, and this is your revision work. Okay, in this chapter we will discuss about the axes, that means y-axis, x-axis and their coordinates. Okay, when the values will be changed, that we will discuss in this topic. Okay, so this is called your vertical axis and its name is called usually y and y dash. This is your x and this is your x dash, and both the lines are perpendicular. Got? Both the lines are perpendicular and their point of intersection is called O. Then so this is the first of all position of the x-axis and y-axis. Coordinates are usually denoted by x comma y. Remember this, first is a x and second is a y, and their point is usually denoted by p. So that's why we say p having coordinate, this is read as p having coordinate x comma y. Okay, so this shows what is the position of x on the x-axis and what is the position of the y on the y-axis. Suppose you have to given x is equal to 1, yeah, x is equal to 2 or x is equal to 3. So that means these are the distances on the x-axis. Okay, so this is a, suppose this is your 1, this is a 2, this is a 3. You can measure these with the help of the scale and see these are the position of the x-axis when he goes on the x-axis. So this is a 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 units. So this is a called x is equal to 1, 2, 3 and x is equal to 3. This. Similarly, you can say y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So these are the distances here. These are the units on the y-axis. So this is suppose 1, this is a 2, this is a 3. So in this case, this is a 1, 2 and 3. In this case, you can see the values of x on the x-axis and the values of the y on the y-axis. The values of x are usually called x coordinate or abscissa. Okay, this is also called abscissa. It's another name, that is abscissa. And the values of the y are y coordinate, or usually these are called ordinate. These are called ordinate. Okay, so sometimes some authors or some teachers call these numbers as a abscissa or ordinates. So remember these another names of the x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay, so this is a first of all introduction of the x coordinate and y coordinate. And x coordinate and y coordinate, that is always read in as like this, written as x comma y like this, and this is called, this is read as x coordinate y coordinate. Then now see, this is called your first quadrant, this is your second quadrant, this is your third quadrant, and this is your first quadrant, fourth quadrant, and we will see the position. In this case, this is a practical, this is the first quadrant, so that's why here x is a positive and y is also positive. X is a positive and y is also positive. But in the second quadrant, now see, this is a y is the original line, but x is a your x dash. So that's why here x is equal to negative, but y is positive. In the third quadrant, both are dash dash, both are the imaginary. So that's why here x is a negative and similarly y is also negative. In the fourth quadrant, you will see x is a original but y is a your y dash, imaginary. So that's why here x is a positive but y is a your negative. So these are the positions of the x coordinate and y coordinate in the four quadrants. Then now see, if you want to locate your point, suppose your point is a given 2 comma 3, like this. See, if you have to given the coordinates for the point is 2 comma 3, that means the value of the x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Now see, this is x is equal to 2, these are the values for x, because this is your x-axis. So this is the value for x, 1 and 2. This is 2 and y is equal to 3. I have taken y is equal to 3. So this is a 1, 2, 3. So first of all, draw the line like this. This is called your horizontal line and this is called your vertical line. I am going to draw another vertical line. This is your vertical line. So this point of intersection is nothing but this is your point P. So this is your point P having coordinate 2 comma 3. Similarly, you can draw another point. Suppose you have to given the value is equal to P having coordinate -1 comma 2. And that means x is equal to your minus 1 and y is equal to 2. So let us see, this is your x is equal to minus 1, here it is a minus 2. In this side the values are negative, this side the values are positive, this side the values are positive, and in this side once again the values are negative. Done. So it is your x dash, and here the values are negative, minus 1, minus 2. Similarly here it is a minus 1 and this is a minus 2. Done. Okay. Now if you have to given x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. So this is the x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2. So these are the values for y, as you know. So this is a here you can draw the vertical line at x is equal to minus 1, and this is your horizontal line at y is equal to 2. So this point of intersection is called, now this is another name, suppose this is a P2. So P2 having coordinate minus 1 comma 2. So this is the location of your point. This is the basically position of the point. Then similarly you can draw another points in the third quadrant. Suppose you have to given minus 2 and minus 3. So in this case you have to take x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 3. So this is a minus 3, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 3. So here x is equal to minus 2 and this is a y is equal to minus 3. This side y is a negative, this side x is a negative. So this is a minus 2 and minus 3. Once again you can draw the line like this, and here you can draw the line like this, and this point is suppose its name is a P3. So this is your P3 and having the coordinates minus 2 comma minus 3. In this way you can draw these points in their coordinates, okay, respective coordinates. Similarly if you have to given, now x is a positive but y is a negative. Suppose I like this. This is the next point P4. Okay, 1 comma minus 2. So that means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. So this is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. So once again you're going to draw a line from here. Okay, see, this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, this is the origin. Here the points are positive 1, 2 and 3. Similarly here it is a minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Then this is your y dash, this is your x. So in this case x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. So this is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 2. This. So first of all draw the vertical line, this, and this is your horizontal line, and this point of intersection is nothing but this will be your P4. So this is your P4 having coordinate 1 comma minus 2. So this is the introduction of this chapter number 3rd, coordinate geometry. Okay, then, and exercise your 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, all these are based on this basic. Okay, that's all. Okay, now I'm taking exercise 3.3, question number 1. In this question he said that in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points minus 2 comma 4, then next is 3 comma minus 1, next is minus 1 comma 0, and 1 comma 2, the next is minus 3 minus 5 lines. Okay, and verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. So I am going to draw these points. Okay, this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, both the lines are perpendicular. This is called your origin, and this is your y positive. Here it is your x dash where the values of x is a negative. This is your y dash where the values are negative from this origin. Okay, now see, the first point is a minus 2 comma 4. That means x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 4. It's very easy. Now see, x is equal to your, it's a minus 1, this is a minus 2, and the value of y is equal to 4. So it is a positive. So this is a 1, 2, 3, and then it's a 4. Okay, done. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This. From here, draw the line like this. Okay, you can use the graph paper for this. Okay, so x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 4. This is a 4. So this point is your first point. This is your P1. So this is your P1. This is a minus 2 comma 4. Similarly, if you want to draw 3 comma minus 1, that means x is equal to, now see, this is the second point. X is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1. So x is equal to 3. That means this is a 1, 2 and 3, and y is equal to negative. So this is your minus 1. So from here you can draw the line like this, and from here you can draw the line this. This is your next point. This is your P2. Okay, so P2 having coordinate, this is a P2 having the coordinate 3 comma minus 1. That's all. So this is your second point. Now the most important is that is when the point lies on the x-axis. Okay, now see once again. Here it is equal to your P3 having coordinate minus 1 comma 0. That means here x is equal to minus 1 but y is 0. That means this is a movement on the x-axis but there is no movement on the y-axis. So that's why this is your, it's a minus 1 and y is equal to 0. That means this is a here this is a region where both are 0 0. Done. So in this case x is equal to minus 1 but y is equal to 0. So there is a no displacement on the this y-axis. So this is the location where the point is equal to minus 1 comma 0. Here it is a when we are on the x-axis. Okay, when we are on the x-axis the y is a 0. When we are on the y-axis, so in that case x is equal to 0. So this is the point. This is a line that shows your P3. So this is the position P3. So this is your P3. Then okay, the last point, the next point is 1 comma 2. See, it's a 1 comma 2. That means x is a 1 and y is equal to 2. So when it is it's a x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1, 2 and 2 is. This is a 1 and 2. This is a x is equal to 1. Okay, once again draw the vertical line, draw the horizontal line, and this shows the your point. The next point is minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 3 minus 5. That means both are negative. Where x is equal to minus 3 and y is equal to minus 5. And as you know, in the third quadrant both are negative. So now we have to draw this point. X is equal to minus 3. 1, 2, 3. This is a minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 5. That means minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and similarly minus 5. So this is your vertical line, this is your horizontal line, and this is your position where the value of this point is minus 3, minus 5. So this is the your point. So this is I have taken first question from your exercise 3.3. Okay. Similarly, you can solve the second question. Okay. That's all.